Hey guys, and in this video we are going to see on how to fix a display protector for Yamaha Razor. So the process is actually common for all sort of vehicles, even bikes or scooters. The one I have right now is from a brand called Nikabi. The package actually comes with a display protector, a small cloth and wet and dry wipes, and also an user manual how to fix it. It's also actually in Tamil. Why? Because actually this product is manufactured in Coimbatore from my hometown. So the procedure on fixing this is actually pretty much simple. You don't need to take your vehicle to a mechanic shop and spend your money over there. So let me show you on how to fix this, guys. This is the scooter which we are going to fix the screen protector. So before sticking it, make sure you wash the display with some water, because there will be a lot of contaminants on the corners and all. And use some microfiber cloth, or if you don't have anyone, just use the cloth which they provide us. The first step is to clean the display using wet wipes which they provide us. Clean it thoroughly. Actually it comes with the alcohol wipe, so that it removes even small scratch dust. The second step is to clean it with the dry wipes. So you can just follow the same procedure. Clean it thoroughly so that alcohol moisture should not be there. And next, to install the screen protector, they will be giving you some user manuals where you could see that red one indicates the first step to peel off and green one indicates the second. So stick the screen protector along the edges so that it properly seats, as this one has a small button in center so that you could easily align it. So as I didn't have a second person to take a video, so I couldn't show you guys on how I fixed it. So if you see any sort of bubbles are coming out, just use an ATM card, or just apply some force to push that bubble over the side. And the last step is to peel off this green label, and that's it, done. So over in mine, actually, if you see on the left side, I have a small air bubble out. So eventually, if you are just applying some pressure, it will just disappear in some time. So if you still have any doubts, see the user manual on how to fix it, and it has shown that till 1 to 2 days there might be some bubbles. You could just push it out on the side. So my bike actually has run around 1800, so I would suggest you guys to fix it before 500 so that it won't get any scratches. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.